Welcome to Minity Maths. In this video we are going to explain the solutions to the questions in our previous puzzle video. Try to identify a common property that the majority of these numbers have. Have you noticed most of them are multiples of 3? All except 20. Therefore the answer is 20. Let's see if there is a pattern with the columns. The numbers in the first column increase by 2 each time, as we work our way down the column. Then by 3. Then 4. Now let's also check if there is a pattern with the rows. As you can see, for the first row, the numbers increase by 1 each time, from left to right. The second row increases by 2 each time. And the third by 3. We can now use this information to calculate the missing number. We can know for certain that the missing number is 12, as this fits the patterns in both the columns and rows. For this question, we need to work out the percentages in 2 stages. First, find 25% of 80, and take this off the original price. The jacket now costs £60. Now we need to find 25% of 60, which is 15. If we subtract 15 from 60, we are left with 45. So the jacket costs £45 after the 2 discounts are applied. This is a tricky one. Check out our handshake puzzle video for an in-depth explanation. Let's visualize the handshakes. These dots represent the 5 people in the room. Person 1 shakes hands with the 4 others in the room. Person 2 then shakes hands with the remaining 3. And so on. Therefore, 10 handshakes happen. Try this with any number, the answer will always be the same. Let's try this out with the number 4. No matter what number you pick, the answer is always 5. Can you figure out why this happens? Put your explanation in the comments below. Thanks for watching Minity Maths. Subscribe for more maths puzzles, logic challenges, and problem-solving videos.